divide first. Subtract 2 for both. Actually, I'm going to add this. I'm going to say
Awesome.
same thing. Did somebody say you lost me?
I said awesome.
Oh. All right. So now, if we have a common base, we want to find it in order to solve it. But I don't think 3 and 2 have any common bases. That's where logs come in. What is the base we should use for the log?
3.
3. Okay, so the base is 3. What's the exponent?
X minus 1.
And the exponent's x minus 1. So you'd say x minus 1 is the log. The exponent is always the log. So it's going to be log base 3 of 2. And some people prefer, when you have an awkward base like that, well, 3's not that awkward. Well, it is like on a negative, but you want to maybe write it like this instead. Then use natural log of 2 divided by the natural log of 3. That's called an equivalent expression. This is the same as this. If you punch this in the calculator, and then you punch this in the calculator, well, you wouldn't be able to punch this in the calculator because the calculator doesn't do log bases other than E or 10. But since you don't have a calculator, you're probably okay either way. And, well, we know what x minus 1 is, but what's x? X is going to be, you could say log base 3 of 2 plus 1, or you could say, I'm going to write it like this. I'm just going to use the notation we're used to using. And that doesn't mean log base 3, okay? This 1 is outside of it. So it means like if you were to do it in your calculator, you'd figure out what number this is, and then whatever that is, you'd add 1 to it. And as it turns out, it's 1 point something. Okay. This one's taking longer than I thought it would be. So identify the y-intercept. How do we find the y-intercept? Make it 0. Like for 0. So we'd say maybe like f of 0. Well, this function's called g. So like g of 0 for notation purposes. Be negative 3 to the negative 1 plus 2. How do you evaluate negative exponents? Throw it on the bottom. Can you see this with the contrast?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Okay. Why is this 1/3? Why does that become 1/3?
It's negative exponent.
Negative exponent.
Negative exponent means throw it on the bottom.
Yeah.
It's already on the bottom. If you have a negative exponent, throw it on the top. So a fancy way of saying that is invert it. So negative 1/3 plus 2. Anyone? Anyone?
My third.
It's
Wait,
5/6.
sorry, I missed that. Why, if we go on the bottom, why do you have to?
If we have 3 to the negative 1, maybe think of that as a fraction already. And so we want to, since it's a negative exponent, we want to throw this on the bottom. So that's the same as saying 1 over 3 to the positive 1. Or what if we had,
Oh.
okay, very good.
Thanks.
How do you get the 1 on top?
It comes to the bottom and you have to have something there at the top of the fraction. You can't just leave
I
nothing
was
there.
thinking the
Like a blank.
one.
Oh, okay.
I understand the concept that you have to drop it if it's a negative exponent, but do we ignore the negative sign in front of the 3 for now?
No, that's still there.
Okay, because with that, not, I mean, can you make it cancel at all? Just saying, I mean, if that's another option.
Well, this negative sign and this negative sign have absolutely nothing to do with each other.
All right.
They're bitter enemies. Like in junior high, this negative was dating this one's girlfriend and they hate each other. They have nothing to do with each other. Okay? Has anyone not signed the roll? Here's what I'm going to do. Who's got the roll?